from the Graphiksha design. Have you ever wondered what goes behind creating a meaningful logo that truly represents your brand? From initial client discussion to the final delivering the final logo concept. What is the process? What steps we have to take? So today in this video I am going to take you through the entire process of a logo design, how it works. If you are a brand owner or a graphic designer, this video is going to give you a clear roadmap. First, client approaches us. In initial call, we discuss what is their brand, what services they provide. We understand the overall their brand and the services. According to that, we give them the detailed questionnaire. So this questionnaire is very detailed, which we see further. So because of our questionnaire is very detailed, we get the clear idea of what client wants. So there is minimal revisions we have to make. Many times we see the client is not satisfied with the logo because we don't understand their expectations. So we have the detailed brand questionnaire. So we get the idea what they like, what they don't like. So accordingly, there are 3 options we create, which is very appropriate to their brief, and there is minimal revisions in our logo design. At initial process of a logo design. So the first step in a logo design is the initial client interaction. In this process, we understand what is the client requirement, what is their brand is about. We follow this well-structured brand questionnaire. So in this brand questionnaire, we ask questions like the name of the company, what is the tagline, so what products they sell, or what services they provide, what is the target audience, what is the main goal of the logo, what should the brand personality describe, what is the feeling they want to convey, they have any specific style in mind, the specific colors they want to use or they want to avoid, or any specific imagery they have in mind, or they have any existing logos, why they want to redesign the logo if they have any existing logo, what they like and dislike about the existing logo, where they want to use the logo, so basically website signages like that, what is their budget or any specific deadline they have, or anything they want to tell the designer, their expectation preferences. So all this is included in the questionnaire. So after this, next step comes, that is pitching the process. So once we have understood the brand, we share our design process and packages. This includes timeline, deliverables, the number of logo options we provide, and how many revisions we offer. So in this, we tell them that we provide the 3 design options with different concepts. The timeline is about 1 to 2 weeks for the 3 options. Then the packages, we tell them that they want only logo or a full branding suite, and the add-ons like business cards, social media kits, etc. Also, clear communication at this stage sets expectation and build the trust with the client. So after all this, once the client decided to go further with us, the next step comes is a research and the concept building. So here we start with the process. So next comes the research phase. Based on the questionnaire and our discussion, we explore industry trends, symbolic elements, the color psychology or the typography styles. So basically we create the mood boards with different options of colors, the typography and the elements we want to use. Design inspirations we have. We don't jump directly into the designing process immediately. So this phase ensures the concepts are thoughtful and strategic. Also the 3 concepts are different from each other. We get the field questionnaire from the clients. We start the research process. So we do not directly jump into designing a logo on a software. We do the thorough research. We finalize the concepts, what we want to do, the color palettes, or the typography which suits the brand. So accordingly, we make the mood boards for them, and we share them that mood boards. Now we move to the creative execution phase. We usually present three distinct logo options or concept to the client. So each option reflects a unique concept or the story, different visual directions, varied font and color treatments. Each concept is presented with a clear rationale and not just the visuals. When we presenting the logo to the client, we use a professional presentation deck that includes the concept explanation, visual inspiration, logo construction, color and font usage, the real life mockups like a business card, packaging or signages. Mockups help client to visualize the logo in the real world and it helps to the decision making easier. The last step is a client feedback. So after we share them the three options, we discuss with client what they like, what they don't like about the logo, and according to that we finalize the one options and work on that further. So this is how the logo comes to the life. So design is a collaborative process, the collaboration between you and client. If you follow this process, this will make the logo design process very easy. Design is a collaborative process, so follow the process to get design freedom, achieve the client satisfaction, and enjoy the design process. If you found this behind the scenes process helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to share with your graphic designer friend or a brand owner who needs it to let them know the overall process of a logo design and build a logo which is meaningful and truly represent their brand.